Good morning. I am Priyanjali, your host for today on Z Talk, a public awareness initiative on how we can protect our kidneys from damage and also to lead a healthy life. Because if our kidneys are damaged, we know the consequences. And if it's already damaged, we would want to know how can we have a normal life. To educate us on what's right for our kidney health, we have with us Dr. Jitesh Jaswani, Director, Nephron Hospital, Nagpur. Welcome, Doctor.
Thank you.
To today's platform. We are here from Z Talk today, and our first question for you is: what is the role of kidney in our body? How important is it to keep our kidney healthy?
We have two kidneys usually, and kidneys have a few very important functions. Number one being production of urine. Excess water is removed from the body. Number two is clearance of waste products from the body, balancing the sodium and potassium of the body. Also, it releases some hormones such as renin, which helps in control of your blood pressure. It also activates vitamin D, which helps to strengthen your bones. And it also releases a very important hormone called erythropoietin, which stimulates your bone marrow to produce blood.
Right. Doctor, what is the common kidney disease which we usually see in our day-to-day time?
If we talk about India, the most common cause of kidney failure is diabetes and hypertension. And I would say that since last few years, I would say renal failure is also a part of the lifestyle disorders. Coming on next is kidney stones, which also contributes to renal failure. And then there can be many other reasons like genetic diseases like polycystic kidney disease. Some patients have some autoimmune diseases of the kidney, which is called as vasculitis or glomerulonephritis, which can also harm your kidneys.
Right. Doctor, speaking about food, how important is it to have a healthy diet when we are having a kidney problem? And what can be those food items if we want to keep our kidney healthy?
Right. So whenever you have some form of renal impairment, basically your kidney is unable to filter the waste products and is unable to maintain the sodium and potassium levels of your body. So it is very important that you maintain a diet restricted in protein, a diet which is restricted in citrus fruits and citrus fruits like coconut water, like fruits like oranges, and it is recommended that you have a salt intake of roughly around 3 to 6 grams a day. Usually kidney patients also are prone for a lot of swelling, that is edema. So they are always advised to have a restricted amount of water intake as well.
Right. Doctor, any message do you have for our viewers of how they can take care of their kidneys?
So healthy kidney is healthy you. So have 8 hours of healthy, good sleep. Avoid addictions like alcohol, tobacco, etc. Maintain a good, healthy, active lifestyle. Control your BMI. Control your salt restriction, which is extremely important, to 3 to 6 grams a day. And very, very important is screening. If you are above 45, if you have family history of diabetes and hypertension, I would definitely recommend annual screening for kidney diseases.
Well, that was Dr. Jitesh Jaswani for us speaking on how to care for our kidneys. Thank you so much, Doctor. Thank you, Doctor, for your valuable advice. I'm sure all our viewers will be benefited from your advice. And viewers, do like, follow, and subscribe our Z Talk page on Facebook and YouTube. And to get more informations and right informations from renowned kidney specialists, stay connected, stay safe, and stay healthy.